Want to use Threads app in your phone but don't know how? Hi everyone, I'm Jenny from Online Help Guide. In this video, I'll show you some quick and easy steps on how to install Threads app by Instagram. So without any further ado, let's get started. Let's start by opening Play Store. If you have iOS device, open App Store. Then tap on the search button which is at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now tap on the search bar and type Threads app by Instagram. Click on the Threads app. After that, click on the Install button. I'm fast forwarding this section as it might take some time. Now the app has been installed in your phone. You can start to use the app by tapping on the Open button. And that's how you can install Threads app by Instagram. Thank you for watching Online Help Guide. Hope this video was helpful. If it was, then hit the like button and comment down if you have any questions or feedback. Also, if you're new to our channel, subscribe and hit the bell icon so that you don't miss upcoming videos.